Start by identifying the exact brand and model of your toilet so you can match parts precisely and avoid leaks, wobbles, or repeat trips to the store. Flip the tank lid and look for a stamped brand name, model number, and date code on the underside or inside the tank near the water line. Write all of it down because similar models can use different parts. If nothing is visible, snap clear photos of the flush valve, fill valve, handle, flapper, and the inside layout. Then measure critical dimensions like the flush valve opening diameter and the overall tank height from base to rim. Most toilets use one of three flapper sizes, 2 inches or 3 inches being the most common. So measure the diameter of the overflow tube opening, not the rubber itself, to choose correctly. For fill valves, measure the tank height and choose an adjustable height valve that can set the critical water level about 1 inch below the top of the overflow tube. If you have a canister style or tower style flush valve, note the brand and color since some manufacturers use color to indicate size and seal type. When in doubt, search the manufacturer's parts diagram for your model number online. Before buying, cross-check your notes against the manufacturer's parts list or call their support with your model number to confirm the exact part code. 3 common mistakes cause headaches here. Guessing the flapper size by eye leads to ghost flushing or weak flushes, so always measure the overflow opening and match the part size precisely. Replacing a specialty canister seal or dual flush assembly with a generic flapper creates compatibility issues, so identify the mechanism type and get the brand-specific kit or the exact seal number. Ignoring water level settings after installing a new fill valve results in slow refill or noisy operation, so adjust the valve height and the float so the water line sits about 1 inch below the overflow tube, and fine-tune the refill clip so the bowl fills to its proper level. We built bighomeprojects.com to make this easier. Homeowners can search our listings to find local plumbing pros who know these parts and can guide you to the right match. Contractors use our platform to connect with nearby jobs, and we host a friendly discussion community where homeowners and pros share photos, part numbers, and real-world fixes.